What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got you one of my favorite NFT projects. It's called Planetix. If you're already excited by that word, let me know in the comments because I am riled up, ready for this. Before we get in, guess what we've got to do? That's right, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this because I love you all and I want to educate. All right, I want to help you. I want to get projects on your radar that you fall in love with. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So guys, here it is. It's planetix.com. I know you've already heard of this, all right? It is run on the Polygon network. You can connect your wallet up here. First, what I want to do is show you a trailer before I dive into this. All right, this is incredible. Watch this. I'm going to talk through it. So Planetix, Waters of Genesis. All right, look at the graphics this has. It's insane. All right, going through all this watery planet right now. I just cannot get over how well this is made. It's a complete replica of Earth. All right, looks super, super cool. Obviously with its own demon twist. It's just phenomenal graphics. All right, I'm going to show you exactly why I'm getting so hyped about this right now. This looks like real footage right now. Like, it's crazy. Here comes the pods landing in, mapping out that planet. Insane, all right? So they mapped out the whole planet. They're calling it Planetix. And obviously, when I go deep into this, you can see your NFTs are actually going to be part of the planet. This is just so cool. Look at that. Gives me like a Destiny vibe. If everyone played Destiny on PlayStation or Xbox, this is giving me that kind of vibe, all right? Super, super cool. You can see him with his cloak on there as well. I honestly believe, guys, this could be the greatest NFT project ever made. Unbelievable, guys, right? So excited about that. Let's dive into what this actually is, all right? So the definition of what it actually is on their white paper, all right? It's a crypto game, or to be exact, an NFT-based strategy game with a virtual copy of planet Earth as your arena. The goal is to restore the planet to its former green and blue glory, and you do it by collecting virtual pieces of land called PIX, which is Planetix, happens to consist of humble 1.6 billion PIX, all of which are individual NFTs. Your mission is simple, collect as many as possible. All right, super, super cool. Like I said, it's mapped out from Earth. I want to take you to this blog now, all right, which is talking about the cargo drops. Now, something interesting about this anniversary pack, all right? This is why I'm here to give you these little nuggets like this. The links are obviously down below for everything I talk about. But what I want you to understand right now is the cargo drop is a great opportunity to get into the game at a very good price. If you don't know what Planetix is already, you're not in the same space as me. All right, if you do, get in the comments and let me know. But you can actually get in for a real good price right now. All right, there's huge discounts on the packs if you hold certain Planetix assets. All right, that free-to-player layer has huge potential and is what will put Planetix on the path to become the biggest P2 game out there. That's what they say. That's what I believe. I'm getting hyped up about it, right? They've got a new white paper out, like I just showed you a little preview of it, right? 2.0. All right, their new white paper is fire. All right, you can look how get started, connect your wallets, what the PIX is. It shows you all about the tiers, land classics, the IXT, all right, going through the actual ERC20 utility token and then going straight into the game, all right? You open this up, we've got the map marketplace, browse, game objective, trade your picks, territories, landmark raffles, list your picks and how to buy, and then your knowledge section, all right? Also from the white paper, I just want to quickly show you this. Now onto the blog, planet.com, all right? This is super interesting. We got the missing control and the free to play and play to earn Planetix metaverse. So agents of change is in, all right? Continuously evolving. Super, super interesting what we've got going on here, right? Super exciting for the new upcoming launch of the Planetix Mission Control. What exactly is it? So it's going to be a hub that gives the AOC an overview of the in-game assets. Through this, the players can actually view it and be able to stake and unstake assets which ease and perform in various game functions. The mission is to farm waste done through various staking, burn and minting mechanics to create the energy. The energy NFTs can then be staked for IXT in the largest staking pools. Now the energy staking pools are the largest of the pools, right? To start, each player will have 6 available tiles in their mission control, and each tile will serve as a slot for their use. This is incredible. You can see here all the different slots we got, all right? You can claim each one and put them in. This is the Agents of Change. You get waste NFTs as well, looking down. I want you to do your own research, guys. I want you to jump into this, all right? Don't just take my word for it, but it's Planetix. It's super, super cool. I'm super, super interested. Having a look at their Twitter now, they got 14.1 thousand followers. It's at PlanetIX0. All right, only use trusted links. They're getting good on there. They've got the trailer on that I showed you at the start. They've got the territories on here. They've got some fan art, all right? Super, super cool. Top 50 gaming projects in the last month by total users. And guess what? Planetix is planning to be the #1 always, all right? You can see it here if you just closely look. Planetix, 32.4K, right? It's already on that board, but they are looking at #1. So give them a follow, guys. Let them know you're from this channel. Say, George sent me over here to hype it up. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's get to the summary. So to summarize that up, guys, I am grateful I get to bring you great projects like this, all right? Super, super blessed. Please hit the like. Please hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. That's Planetix. It is incredible. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. The links are down below, and I will see you on the very next video.